You might not know this, but every day you eat the fruits of plant breeding. In fact, much of what we eat would not exist without it. Plant breeding started many thousands of years ago when our ancestors first started farming. By selecting the best plants and breeding them over time, ancient farmers cultivated crops that were tastier, more nutritious, and stronger. A 19th century Austrian monk, Gregor Mendel, began to discover how plant characteristics were passed from one generation to the next. This laid the foundation for a modern understanding of plant genetics. As the years went by, plant breeders' understanding of agriculture continued to progress. In the 20th century, we made incredible breakthroughs in understanding the mechanics of genetics, DNA, the genetic code, and how to read whole genomes. Each of these have increased our ability of breeding better crops. Today, our understanding of how to harness plant breeding continues to progress, but we also face new challenges like the global spread of plant diseases and pests, dwindling natural resources, climate change, and skyrocketing population growth. Helping farmers keep pace with these challenges in a safe and sustainable way continues to be the goal of plant breeders. Thanks to our understanding of genetics, we now know how plant breeding works at the level of genes. When scientists combine genes from two related plants, their offspring have mixed characteristics from both parents. But plant scientists have to selectively breed plants for many generations to have one desired characteristic, a process that takes years. Now, innovative gene editing techniques allow plant scientists to use DNA information from the plant's family to directly add, delete, or replace specific genetic information using its own biological processes. Just like traditional plant breeding, but with greater precision and efficiency that we've come to expect in modern times. Throughout history, consumer and farmer needs have been answered using innovation and science. What could the future hold? More sustainable food production, better tasting, and more nutritious produce, increased protection of plants from drought and diseases, adapting the basic principles that have been used for generations in a precise manner. Today's evolving plant breeding methods are preparing us to face 21st century challenges.